If you're craving comfort food, then this shepherd's pie is sure to hit the spot. You'll first want to start by peeling and then cutting into 1-inch cubes some russet potatoes. Add these to a pot, bring it to a boil, and then cook until they're tender. Add in some milk, butter, Parmesan cheese, salt, and black pepper, oh, and a little garlic powder, and then mash this all together just like you would mashed potatoes. In a separate skillet, saute up some onion and celery, and then brown up some ground beef. Use a potato masher to mash it into finer crumbles. Add some tomato paste, flour, Worcestershire sauce, and seasonings. Mix it all together and then pour in some broth. During the last couple of minutes, add in some frozen mixed vegetables and mix it until it's well combined. Layer up the ground meat mixture, then place the potatoes on top. Spread this all out and then add little peaks into the potatoes. These will get nice and crispy once they're cooked up in the oven. Hope you enjoy this recipe, guys.